Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the shed. Hopefully you've seen a video of that bad boy, me and my daughter making a bench. And the next part of that really is getting somewhere for her to put it. So we're in, oh, little birdie's flying around. Oops, sorry about that. Anyway, we're in the shed. It's a right mess. I think I'll show you around and you can see what we need to do. So excuse me turning the camera. Right. So right, there's our bench. Lovely jubbly. So we've got a lot of stuff in here. That is actually garden shed which we brought with us from the last house. So I've got to set that up for my wife. For her garden stuff. We've got loads of stuff everywhere. Let's face it. I've got the ramp, which I've got to get back on track, but still haven't got the 3-phase to run it with. Loads of wood and lots of stuff basically. Got this little, whatever you call it, lawn tractor thing with no deck and that. I've got to fix that up, that'll be alright. A lot of my tools which I've got to set up. Again, need 3-phase for these bits. Front bit of a bus. All the front suspension. I'm sorry about the light, it is really bad down here. Hopefully you can see okay. There's Chloe's stacks of pallets. This is leftovers from the workshop kitchen area and stuff. But I want to use these. They're little wall cupboards. So I want to put them up either side of my shadow board when I get to it. I don't know why I'm pointing over there because it's not there. And this area, which is a bit of just a dumping ground and where we kept all our apples and stuff, this is what Chloe is thinking of having for her wood shop area. It is a lovely area. Obviously it's slatted. It's nice and secure. It's all good. But yeah, I've got lots and lots of my stuff in here, which ultimately I will be using when I get my 3-phase sorted out. I do apologise, it's gone dark again. But I've got lots of bus stuff here. I've got lots of old. It's a dumping ground. It's a dumping ground. Let's face it. So really, need to sort this area out. She has asked if we can move the rack in as well. I don't know. I don't know how it's fixed. It looks like it might be. You can't see it. It looks like it's been welded on. So we'll see. But yeah, basically, I think I'm going to start off. I'm going to sort this lot out to be able to move. Sorry, I'm spinning you around a lot at the moment. I hope you don't get dizzy. To move all my stuff out of here. Probably get our bench along there. And then work from there. There is, you can see, there's lighting there. Not a lot. It's pretty dark up here. And I think there's a socket. There's a socket up there, which she's a short ass, so she won't be able to reach that. So, but I don't want to put electrics on the walls yet because I don't know if you can see the light through there. There's no flashing or anything on the roof, so the water can get blown up the tin roof and down inside. So that's a job I'll have to sort out before we really get her working in here. Anyway, I've rabbited on far too much. I'll see if I can set up some better lighting and I'll stick you up and maybe do a bit of time lapse of me moving stuff around, which is a bit boring, but hey, there we go. Let's get on with it. Right, I'm going to put you on time lapse. We're going to start moving stuff around. Let's get to it. Right, that's a bit better. Not perfect, but it'll do for now. I reckon I have to go eventually, but it's a nice little work area here. Just got to get our bench now. Let's go get a bench. Right, well that's the first piece of the puzzle. Cool. Fits pretty well there. Got a lovely working space there, Chloe. No answer? Have you got a lovely working space, Chloe?
Yeah.
Thank you for your enthusiasm. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was interesting. This is the first part of what we're doing here. I don't know how many parts there's going to be. It depends on Chloe as well. And I'll see you next time. So if you like it, give us a like, please. Please subscribe and see our Instars down there somewhere. If I'm pointing in the right place, I don't know, can't tell. I'll see you next time. Cheers then!